how to create GIF on Samsung Gallery. Yes, using your pictures on Samsung Gallery. Now let's say I want to create a GIF. I'm on Gallery right now. So what I do is that I'm going to select the three dots at the top right corner over here and click on create. Now from create, I have two options, GIF or collage. I choose GIF. Then I'm going to select the items I want to, pictures actually I want to use for my GIF. So I say I want to select this. And after selecting them, I'm going to click on GIF icon at the bottom here. I click on it and then my GIF is created for me. Now I can decide to edit it. At the bottom here you can see edit. So I can, if I click on the first option, I get to see remove or add one more picture if I want to. Then if I click on the second one, I can decide to make it, as you can see, change the way it moves backwards instead. If I click on next option, I can increase the speed like this or reduce it, or even make it extremely fast like this. Then I can decide to add other things to it, like draw on it, stickers and text. And once I'm through, I can even save it by clicking at it up here. I can save or share my GIF that I've created. So that's it. That is how to create GIF on Samsung Gallery.